This is Vrishali and you are watching Vrishal's Classes YouTube channel. In the series of revision of the basic concepts of mathematics, we have already started the chapter fractions. 2 videos of fractions are already uploaded on this YouTube channel. You can check the link of those videos in the description box. In this video, we are going to discuss one important operation of fractions, that is multiplication and division. How to multiply the fractions, what rules we have to follow when we multiply the fractions. Secondly, when we divide the fraction, how to divide the fraction and what rules we have to follow while dividing the fractions. Everything will be explained clearly in this video. To understand this concept properly, you have to watch this video till end. So let's start with multiplication and division of the fractions. Multiplication and division is easier than the addition and subtraction. Why? Because here we need not find the LCM of the denominators. Yes, in addition and subtraction what we do, if the denominators are not same, we find the LCM. So here we did not find the LCM. So this makes our work a little bit easier. So now how to multiply? Let's see. Let's start with one simple example. 3 upon 4 into 5 upon 7. So how to multiply the fraction? Here straight away you have to multiply the numerators and denominators. That's it. 3 5s are 15. 4 7s are 28. This is first simple rule what we have to follow. Just multiply the numerators and denominators. Your answer is ready. Okay. Now one more rule I'll explain. Second rule. 3 upon 4 into 16 upon 19. Okay, rule is same. We have to multiply the numerators and denominators. But here, just check the numerators and denominators of both the fraction. Check whether we can convert it to lowest form. Check whether they have any common factor. Now here, 4 and 16. 4 1s are 4 4s are. This is done. Now here 3 and 19 we cannot cancel. 4 and 19 they don't have any common factor. So we have to keep this fraction as it is. Here we didn't have any common factor here. So we straightway multiplied the numerators and denominators. But here 4 and 16, as we can straightway cancel it by 4, we cancel. 4 1s are 4 4s are. Now let's multiply our numerators and denominators. 3 4s are 12. 1 into 19 is 90. This is our answer. Now if we come across mixed fraction in this multiplication of fraction, how to solve it? I have already told you that if we come across mixed fraction, the first thing is you have to convert that mixed fraction to improper fraction. How to do that? It's already explained. So now let's see how to multiply mixed fraction. 1 2 upon 3 into 3 3 upon 5. Now we have to multiply this. So what we have to do first? Convert it to improper. 3 1s are 3 plus 2. 5 upon 3 into 5 into 3 15 plus 3 18. 18 upon 5. Now let's check numerator and denominator. Here 3 and 18. Yes, we can cancel it by 3 1s are 3 6 are. 5 1s are 5 1s are. Now let's multiply. 6 into 1 is 6. 1 into 1 is 1. If denominator is 1, straightway write only numerator and this is your answer. So this is how we have to multiply the fraction. Now here one rule we have to follow. See, every time you may not come across only 2 fractions. Especially in standard 10th. In the last chapter, areas and volumes of solid figure, mensuration chapter. So in that case, we come across more than 2 fractions which we have to operate, multiply. So there we have to go for cancellation. In that case, just follow one rule, that we can cancel numerator with denominator. Okay. Now suppose here, if we have like this something 3 upon 4. into 3 upon 10. Here we cannot cancel 3 ones are 3 ones are. We cannot cancel 2 twos are and 2 fives are. No, this is not allowed. Numerator and numerator cancellation is not allowed. Even if they have common factor, we are not supposed to cancel them. Few students, they do this common mistake. When they find the common numbers, straight away they cancel it. But it is not allowed. This is not the rule of multiplication of fractions. So don't do this mistake. Cancellation can be done only with the numerator of the fraction and denominator of the fraction. This can be done of the same fraction or numerator of one fraction and denominator of the other fraction. But just remember, we can cancel only numerator and denominator. Numerator, numerator, denominator, denominator. We cannot cancel even if they have common factor. Now, if this multiplication concept, if it is quite clear to you, then division is very easy. Now, let's see how to divide the fractions. Let's see one simple example, division. 1 upon 2 divided by 3 upon 5. Now, what we have to do? Okay, rule number 1. First fraction, write as it is. Change this division sign to multiplication, and the fraction which is immediately after this division sign, we have to take reciprocal of that. Reciprocal means numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator. Now what we have to do? Follow the rules of our multiplication. 1 into 5 is 5, 2 into 3 is 6. 5 upon 6 is the answer. See, even division of fraction is so easy. Let's see one more example. 7, 1 upon 4. Divide by 1, 1 upon 2. Now here we have mixed fraction. First thing what we have to do? Convert this mixed fraction to improper. 4 into 7, 28. 28 plus 1, 29. 29 upon 4. Divide by. First we will convert only mixed to improper. 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 upon 2. Now what we have to do? 29 upon 4 into reciprocal of this. 2 upon 3. Now here we can cancel this. 2 ones are 2 twos are. 29 into 1 is 29. 2 into 3 is 6. 29 upon 6. Now when we come across improper fraction, what we have to do? Convert it to mixed fraction. 29 divided by 6. 6 fours are 24. 4, 5 upon 6. 4, 5 upon 6. This is how we divide the fraction. Now, in this fraction part, we have completed how to add, subtract, multiply and divide the fraction. All these 4 operations are done. So almost the basic things of fraction is done. Now in our next video, we will come with one more important concept, that is decimal. Yes, in most of the sum, we come across decimal numbers. How to remove the decimal point, how to put the decimal point. All about decimals will be explained in our next video. So to get the update of that, you have to subscribe our channel and don't forget to share these videos among your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video.